Yes, so my name is Emile Cabot. I am from the East Coast of Canada. I'm an 11-year MVP in Hyper-V, and I've been a consultant for most of the past 25 years. I'm here coming to Cybersecurity Live to help some discussions on ransomware and protecting your Microsoft 365 environment using the modern solutions available. What I like particularly about this conference and the inclusion of cybersecurity and ransomware live in the mix is it allows IT pros that may work in different areas where cybersecurity is not their primary role, but like everybody, it's important for their role. So they may not need to spend a full week on cybersecurity sessions. You know, their operational role is maybe more important for them, but it gives them the opportunity to get a little bit of information in on what threats are out there today. So organizations have done great work over the last number of years getting multi-factor authentication rolled out. What we need to do now is make sure that that MFA enforcement is happening, particularly for admin accounts when they're making access into the Microsoft 365 portal or making changes. So what we want to have is an additional conditional access policy that ensures MFA has been challenged and also requires admin actions to be performed on a compliant corporate device. It's hybrid autopilot. Hybrid autopilot, in my opinion, should never have been made a feature. It leads organizations down the wrong path of trying to hold on to legacy management while trying to adopt a modern desktop, and it doesn't work that well. It's very flaky, for a better term. And if you want to utilize the modern desktop solutions, then you need to adopt the modern desktop. You can't go half. This conference is designed to be a smaller venue, a smaller crowd, and the purpose of that is to instigate networking amongst the attendees and the speakers. So that would be my big recommendation for anybody coming here this week. Um, Break out of your shell and take the opportunity to meet your fellow attendees and talk to your speakers. If you have technical questions or technical problems, this is a great time to get your answers taken care of. Especially if you're not comfortable with raising your hand in the session and asking questions in front of the group. I think without getting too particular into it, I think a lot of the focus that we're going to be talking about on this is dealing with licensing changes with third-party vendors that organizations have adopted over the years and come to rely on. Yes, I would like to use the opportunity of the diverse conference to be able to get some deep technical content in on SQL. SQL is not a topic that I spend a lot of time learning on, but it's a product that I have to use in my day-to-day. So hoping to get a little modernized information on just some SQL operations. That's the big problem, is that the technology is evolving quickly, and when we're in our operational role, we work in a bubble. If we're in a small team, that team operates in a bubble. We don't necessarily know what other people are doing. We don't know what other problems are arising, and we don't know how other technicians are addressing and resolving these issues. So conferences like this give attendees the ability to not only ask the questions that they can't get out of a search window, but also get that feedback from peers and people that work in a similar role, so that they can share those challenges and success stories. I strongly recommend you take advantage of the multiple networking opportunities that Live 360 puts off throughout the week. Those sessions are designed to give you an opportunity to get some one-on-one time with speakers and get your questions answered in an informal fashion. So that's the big value add to this type of a conference, is the extra things that go um, on with the group outside of the sessions.